love it when I don't have to drive. Thanks, Terry. Wow, it's beautiful this time of night. I'm just gonna go home and let go. Oh, finally I'm home. Oh, yeah. Oh, I need to get away. I need to go where it's quiet and peaceful. In the wilderness. If there's a higher power out there, I need to hear you now. Maybe I could wish this feeling away. That was fast. Doll. How could this be here? Who are you? Where are you? Who's doing this?
Got to wash this negativity off me.
I've found out that I'm a chump.
This day has been so freaking long.
And the wool
First off, we're gonna get rid of my mom's negative energy.
but I'm gonna
Saw her in the
know
store today and she tried setting me up on another date. She just can't be happy with me being single.
You never remember me. You never remember.
Next, I'm gonna get rid of this darkness from work. People just can never be happy with what I do. They're so demanding.
Do you know that's the bump?
You never remember me. You never
Yes, sir. Now listen here.
You never remember me.
Now tell Papa
You never remember
how
me.
so
Hello?
let me hear.
Remember what? Remember who?
Never remember me.
It must be the neighbor's kids. I'm going to bed.
What's wrong with you?
But I've got my 2 hands full, minding my own affairs. Now
Jane, is that you?
Yeah, but what are you doing here? I'm in my dream time. I'm following a little girl. What are you doing?
Well, I'm sleeping.
Can you hear her?
Yeah, I hear her now.
Well, I'm glad you're here. I'm a little creeped. Let's go check it out.
Yeah, well, this is where the scary movie music would start.
You never remember me, I'm always forgotten. You never remember me, I'm always
Which way should we go?
Jane, that's the same voice I heard in my shower last night.
You never remember me, I'm always forgotten. You never remember me, always forgotten.
Megan, stop! Where are you?
Terry, are you still here?
Yeah, I'm here, but what the hell was
You
that?
never remember me, I'm always forgotten. You never remember me, I'm
Do you hear that?
always forgotten.
Yeah, it's coming from
You
over
never
there.
remember
Let's go.
me, I'm
Okay.
always forgotten. You never remember me, I'm 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 always forgotten. You never remember me,
Hello? Can she hear us? Can she even see us?
You never remember me,
I don't think so. Hello?
How did the keys fit into this? I don't know, but I have a feeling we're gonna find out. Well, here we go again.
You never
We were just here, right, full circle.
Are those the keys?
Yeah, they are, huh?
Looks like they're pointing in two different directions.
This one, I believe, is mine. The one pointing over here.
I've got to go the other way. I'll meet you back here.
Okay.
Good luck.
You too.
Someday you're going to give me a real hug, Terry.
can't you let me be? All the folks are asking for ya. Why must you bother with me? The Iceman's been complaining, the landlord too. Told him I ain't got fire, so they will have to take two, 'cause I've got trouble holding this man of mine. It seems there's always trouble every time that I speak my mind.
You never remember me. You never remember me. You never remember me.
What the fuck? You don't do anything right, damn it. Pay attention! I told you to be quiet! Pay attention!
Why in the hell is this here? That is so messed up. That's an odd place for a cabin. Where am I now? Wonder who lives here. Lights are on. Someone must live here. This house. I remember feeling like a princess. Oh, it was so beautiful. Oh, my bedroom. I'm never leaving this house. I love this place.
I look up at the sky, the raindrops falling from my eyes, and think of all the things Daddy used to say. He had so many hopes for me. I willingly if only I could find a better way. And I'm looking to the sky to see if someone there is watching me, if someone really knows who's right or wrong. I'm hoping soon I'll see the day when I don't have to be afraid. Gray clouds disappear and the rain is gone. Standing on the road again, looking at the sunset in the rain, wondering why this old familiar feeling always feels the same. I've told myself 1,000 times, time will change the color of my life. But I see our gray clouds in my eyes, and I'm looking to the sky to see if someone there is watching me, if someone really knows who's right or wrong. I'm hoping soon I'll see the day when I don't have to be afraid. Gray clouds disappear and the rain is gone.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
Where are you, Terry?
Wake up! Wake up!
Hate the pain. These voices in my head keep going round and round, round and round. Stand it! Can't stand it.
Why don't you look for me?
I'm so sick of this.
Why don't you look for me? Why don't you look for me?
What does she want?
Why don't you look for me? Why don't you look for me?
Oh, my horses. Oh. I love my horses. Oh, I remember brushing her mane. So beautiful. So pretty. So pretty. be free, riding on a horse.
Why don't you look for me?
What do you want? Where are you taking me now?
Hello? Hello? I think I know who you are. You've been in my dream time forever. I think I know who you are. You've been in my dream time forever. Are you okay?
The Batman made me dirty.
I know. I remember, baby. How about if we just wash that away? Just wait and see how we turn out. It turns out pretty good. Pretty good.
And I found what I was looking for. Daddy, I found what I was looking for. Yes, and I am what I was looking for. I found you.
You brought me out of the house for this? Oh!
Oh! Shit! Oh. Where is Janie? What? Wake up! Shit! Wake up! Wake up! Oh, Janie, where are you? There you are. What do you want from me? I've been to hell and back. This has been going on for a long time now, and... What's up with the key? Is it the key to happiness? Is it the key to me escaping this realm? What's up with the key? What's up with you?
Why don't you look for me? Why don't you look for me? Why don't you look for me?
You're right, I never look for you. Now I know why. You're the younger part of me that I've locked away behind this fence. I realize that now.
I feel good.
So do I. It's so good to feel you again.
Thanks for coming back for me.
For us. Got an hour before it's time for dinner. I can't wait to see Terry. I feel happy. I actually feel like going out tonight. That's refreshing. Oh, paint my toenails. I haven't done this for 20 years. Thank God. Boop boop bee doop. Boop boop bee doop.
Now you don't have to hurry, don't have to speak. Got everything that a good gal needs. Your man slips in when I go out. You ain't got a darn thing to worry about. Your songs all sung and your prayers all prayed. Groceries in your kitchen and your rent's all paid. $5 stockings, $10 shoes. Everything to gain and not a darn thing to lose. It's a mystery to me, I cannot see. Mama, how you can have the blues this morning. Mama, how you can have the blues.
I'm living easy, that's all true. I got all respect that's due to you. I got a little money, you don't forget. But there is something that is like and yes. Now there's still something I'm raving about. Don't get in touch.
It looks good on the camera. Just like you guys is when you were alive.
You're a big slurp for it. Oh man, you're killing me.
That was good.
That was just awesome.